Hi, my name is Charles Malky, biologist and plant expert with Ivory Organics, where we grow cool plants. And today I'm excited to share that Ivory Organics has been awarded America's first garden product YouTube Silver Creator Award winner. And together at the end of this, I'm going to share with you, we're going to open it together and take a look at the plaque that was given to us just yesterday. What we're doing as our thank you for your years of support in liking, commenting, and most importantly, sharing with your gardening friends and family all of these over 300 educational lessons that you'll find here on the Ivory Organics Garden YouTube channel. What we're going to be doing is offering gift packages valued over $100, which include the autographed book, Saving the World with the Home Garden. And I will be signing it and sending this book, which just was released as of May of 2020. And it pretty much summarizes the over 300 educational lessons you'll find on the Ivory Organics YouTube channel. We're also going to be including the Super Blend all-purpose fertilizer, which offers your plants all of the macronutrients plants need, which include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, your NPK, in addition to magnesium, sulfur, and calcium. Hence all of the 6 macronutrients plants need. We're also going to be including the ready-to-use spray bottle, which you can use on your plants, especially at the time of transplanting or cloning, to minimize transplant shock. And a can. This is the pint-sized can of, again, the Ivory Organics 3-in-1 Plant Guard, protection from damaging summer sunburn, insects, and rodents. That is also OMRI approved, certified for organic use. The general rules are as follows. There's going to be one winner selected from the Ivory Organics Facebook page, one winner from the Ivory Organic Instagram page, and one winner selected from the Ivory Organic Twitter page. Be sure to check out those contest rules, which will be more thorough underneath it, as well as in the description below this YouTube video, with links that'll take you directly to the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts. When you go to the Ivory Organics Facebook page, you're going to find the Labor Day giveaway post that you see right here on your screen. You're gonna like it, share it, and add your hashtag IV Organics with your post so that we can trace your post on your account. If you're on Instagram, similarly, you're gonna find, again, that image that's here on your screen for the Labor Day giveaway post. You're going to like it and tag 2 of your gardening friends or family. And Instagram is another one, just to let you know, as well as Facebook. It's one of my favorite places to communicate. So if you have any gardening questions, be sure to write me through either Facebook or Instagram. And on Facebook, I'm even gonna share with you right here, right now, my personal Facebook page, where you'll see close to 2,000 followers. And be sure to follow me there. And you can also write me and tag me and share some of your gardening experiences on Facebook as well, for those of you on the Facebook platform. And similarly for Twitter, you're gonna go to the Ivory Organics Twitter page, find that Labor Day giveaway post, and again, post and share it and add that hashtag Ivory Organics so that we can trace your share. There are no limits in regards to how many shares you can do. I recommend that if you're on all 3 forums, being Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, that you participate on all 3. We love your gardening enthusiasm, and in regards to sharing it with gardening friends and family, there are no limits. For Instagram, for example, where it reads tag 2 people, if you want to tag 100 people, the more the better. We love your enthusiasm, and we hope to support it as well. As in addition to the 3 gift boxes that we're going to be giving, one on Facebook, one on Instagram, and one on Twitter, all randomly selected. International participants are encouraged as well, as Ivory Organics offers our products internationally. Currently, our products are stocked in Australia, in Singapore, in Canada, and for those of you in those countries, you can simply just go on your internet search and you can try to find a store nearest to you. And a lot of them offer same-day delivery. And we're excited to hopefully bring our products into Europe, among other countries, by spring of 2021. In addition to the gift boxes, we're going to be supporting and encouraging at least 10 participants from Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, for a total of 30 more people that'll be receiving a bag of the Super Blend fertilizer. In all, we are giving away over $1,000 of gifts, our way of, again, saying thank you for all of your support and bringing us so far in such a short period of time. And we're so excited about our future and offering our quality garden products to all of you across the world. Note that shipping will be included. And now in conclusion, let's just take a look at the enclosed letter and award together. And here it is. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Watsiki. And this here is the silver play button plaque. Presented to IV Organic for passing 100,000 subscribers. How cool is that? And just as Susan wrote in the letter, closer than you think to 1 million subscribers, and that's not something we ever truly fathomed. Our goal since we started was simply to educate. Our first 200 of the 300 videos that we published were simply using the IV Organics 3-in-1 Plant Guard products to teach the value and the importance of whitewashing your trees, and not just with latex paint or tar-based products, but with something organic that will benefit your organic garden and organic orchards across the world. We're forever grateful for all the love and support you've shared with the IV Organics family. Thank you so very much from the bottom of our hearts, and we look forward to our next chapter in growing with all of you. Wishing you all a safe and enjoyable Labor Day weekend, hoping all of you participate in our contests across Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Hoping to see you all there, and as always, keep growing with IV Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening.